Want to learn Urdu? Subscribe to my channel to get your daily dose of Urdu lesson. So let's get started. Assalamu-Alikum everyone. Hope you're fine. Today we're gonna start our lesson number 7, which is pronouns in Urdu. So we're gonna do our lesson. Let's start it. So first pronoun is I, which means मैं in Urdu. Repeat after me. मैं. For example, if you wanna say I am a girl in Urdu, you will say मैं एक लड़की हूँ. मैं एक लड़की हूँ. Also a different way to say I in Urdu, which is मुझे. Repeat after me. मुझे. So the sentence I need this or I need that become Urdu is मुझे ये चाहिए. Repeat after me. मुझे ये चाहिए. मुझे ये चाहिए. Notice that you can't use मैं in this sentence. It will become very odd if you say मैं ये चाहिए. You just have to be very careful with using मैं and मुझे in your sentences. For say using I in this sentence, I need this in a different way in which you use मैं, you will say मैं ये लेना चाहती हूँ या चाहता हूँ. If you are a girl, you will say मैं ये लेना चाहती हूँ, and if you are a boy, you will say मैं ये लेना चाहता हूँ. So you see these two different way to saying I in Urdu. The next word is you, which means तुम in Urdu. Repeat after me. तुम. We're gonna show you an example, which is if you wanna say who are you in Urdu, you will say तुम कौन हो. Repeat after me. तुम कौन हो. So just like I, there is also a different way to say you in Urdu, which is तुम्हें. Repeat after me. तुम्हें. Again, तुम्हें. For example, if you wanna say what do you think about it in Urdu, you will say तुम्हें ये कैसा लगा. Repeat after me. तुम्हें ये कैसा लगा. You can't use तुम in this sentence. It will become very odd. So if you say तुम ये कैसा लगा, it's not a valid way to say a sentence. So you have to be very careful using तुम and तुम्हें in your sentences. Move to the next one, which is we. The word we means Urdu is हम. Repeat after me. हम. It is a plural way. So the example is we are fine in Urdu is हम ठीक हैं. Repeat after me. हम ठीक हैं. You have to notice that the word हैं used in a plural way when you're talking about a group of peoples or something in a very big amount. The next word is he and she. The word he and she basically means वो in Urdu. So when you have to say she is a girl, you will say वो एक लड़की है. Or if you say he is a boy, you will say वो एक लड़का है. Let me tell you one more thing, which is the word you also mean आप in Urdu. Do you remember you learned आप in lesson number 1? So it is used when a formal conversation or when you're talking to a person who is elder than you, you're showing some respect to the other person. Otherwise, you will just use tum and tum. Congratulations, you completed your lesson number 7, which was pronouns in Urdu. Like my video, share my video. Khuda Hafiz.